Hi guys, my name is Vlatka and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make twisted ties at the start and the end of your friendship bracelets. Are you ready? Let's begin. Once you've prepared your strings, split them into two groups. Since I have 6 strings, I'll just split them in two groups of 3. Then, start twisting one group of strings in one direction with your fingers. I am twisting them to the left. Also, if you have an odd number of strings, it's okay if one group has one string more than the other. Once you are done twisting one group of strings, do the same with the other. Make sure to twist them both in the same direction, in this case to the left. Use your fingers to help yourself. When you're done, start twisting them together in the opposite direction, in this case to the right. Hold the end of the ties firmly so they don't untie, and again, use your fingers to help yourself. When you're satisfied with the length, press the end firmly with your fingers and tie a knot so it's secured. You can now start making your bracelet. When you're finished making your bracelet, split the strings into two groups again and start twisting them. First one group in one direction, in my case to the left, then the other, again in the same direction. Once done, twist them together in the opposite direction, in my case to the right, until you are satisfied with the length. I love to have the ties on the top and bottom the same length, so I use the one on the top to measure the one on the bottom to make sure they are the same. Then, use your fingers again to hold the end firmly so the ties do not untie, and tie the strings together again. Now, you only need to cut off the excess strings and your twisted ties are done. Easy, right? If you found this video useful, make sure to like and comment, subscribe and turn on notifications. Speak to you next week. Bye!